तो उसका स्वागत है, वहाँ से आएगी। हम लोग कहेंगे पहले यहाँ से आती थी, अब यहाँ से आ रही है, कोई उसमें दिक्कत नहीं, उससे कोई बाधा नहीं है।
तो अमेंडमेंट करके मैंने बनाई, यदि आपकी आज्ञा हो तो मैं वही शुरू से जो प्रेस रिलीज भी की है उसमें थोड़ा सा वो भी पढ़ देती हूँ, यदि आपकी अनुमति। प्रेस रिलीज भी है, उसमें फिर पॉइंट्स जुड़ जाते हैं जो हम रेजोल्यूशन कर रहे हैं। फॉर अ सेकंड कंसेक्यूटिव डे, शंकराचार्य स्वामी Mukteshwaranand ji of Jyotirmठ presided over a 3-day Ganga Yamuna Panchayat organized by Tan Bharat Sangh and Manushi in collaboration with Nehru Memorial Museum and Library, Teen Murti Bhavan, from February 8 to 10. The Panchayat was inaugurated on February 8 by Shri Digvijay Singh, General Secretary, All India Congress. The Panchayat began by felicitating Swami Shivanand of Matri Sadan in Haridwar, who along with young sannyasis of his ashram succeeded in pressuring the Uttarakhand government to stop illegal mining on Ganga riverbed in the Kumbh Kshetra of Haridwar through a 107-day satyagraha. The young sannyasis of Matri Sadan did not give up their fast even when arrested and put behind bars on trumped-up criminal charges. The Panchayat witnessed the participation of river experts, environmental engineers, Save Ganga Yamuna activists and members of Prime Minister's National Ganga Basin Authority as well as UP Ganga Basin Authority. The following, उसके बाद, the following resolutions were passed unanimously to be presented to the Environment Minister as a charter of the Ganga Yamuna जल बिरादरीज। इसमें एक इंट्रोडक्शन पैरा यूं है, भी है, थोड़ा सा बदला है मैंने। Rivers anywhere in the world are the lifeline of any society. However, Ganga and Yamuna are not ordinary rivers. For millennia, they have provided the rich soil for the growth and flowering of the grand Indian civilization and a uniquely rich culture. The death of these two rivers represents the death of Indian culture, religion and civilization. These dying rivers cannot be rejuvenated by government alone, no matter how well-meaning and how well endowed. Sarkar, Samaj and Sants had to come together in a creative partnership and become joint stakeholders in this sacred mission. The following resolutions were passed unanimously to be presented as a charter of Ganga Yamuna. ये दोबारा लाइन आ गई, माफी चाहती हूँ। पहला, Ganga and Yamuna are reverentially referred to as nurturing mothers. They cannot be treated as mere resources to be exploited. The three streams, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda and Mandakini, must be treated as integral parts of Ganga, which again I say, which is not a mere river but universally revered as a nurturing mother, as a core value of Bharatiya Sanskriti. ये पहला, इसको ठीक कर। The Ganga and Yamuna action plans must be aimed at ensuring that the waters of Ganga and Yamuna retain the same quality of purity as found at Gangotri and Yamunotri.
इसी जो पहले वाला आपका था, फर्स्ट वाला पॉइंट, उसके अंदर उस चीज को अगर एक्टिव नाउ वी आर गिविंग द चार्टर ऑफ आवर डिमांड्स और समथिंग, तो पहले वाले के अंदर ये जरूरी आना चाहिए कि आपने जो गंगा एक्शन प्लान के अंदर जो गंगा का रूप दिया है उसको आपको मॉडिफाई करना, जो कि अभी बार बार बात करते हैं कि गंगा के स्वरूप को उन्होंने एक रिवर के रूप में माना है।
हम नहीं मानते।
हाँ, तो नहीं, उसको जो आप कह रहे थे कि, और आपने भी कहा कि गंगा को जो है एक स्पेशल स्टेटस है हमारे धर्म के,
वो कानून का